loves, thanks for tuning into my channel. If you are new, welcome, and for those of you that have already subscribed, thank you so much for tuning in and hanging out. I'm going to get a lot done today. I'm actually going to be going throughout the main areas of my home because I always like to keep my entrance space, my kitchen area clean and inviting, just in case I have an unexpected guest. You know, we all live busy lives, and you know, sometimes things get away from us, but it's always nice to have that weekend reset to get things together. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Don't forget to say hello in the comment section, and I'm going to go ahead and get into the house because it's kind of hot and get into it.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. Lying here in my bed, never gonna be alone. 'Cause with you, I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you.
So putting this juicer together is much more easier than what it looked like in this video. I don't know why. Every time I start filming, I always kind of have to fumble around with it, but it's super easy to put together. We use this thing every day, but you have to make sure that everything is lined up in order for it to snap in place. So my husband just went to the grocery store and bought these items back. I thought it was super helpful of him to just grab these items from the store. So when he brought them home, I just made sure to put them away immediately. That's one thing that I practice doing, just to cut down on things being out of place. It just always makes me feel so much better when those items are put away immediately.
Damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me. One more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. You told me situations left you lonely. Tried to give you my best shot, but my best don't mean a lot. Bullseye always miss, that's why it's all I got. Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, because you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, believe me. So one more shot, one more round. Take my hits, pound for pound. Promise I'll let you down. One more shot, one more round. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose. Step on my rose. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' let me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks baby, turn it down like it's sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the color where you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Off. Why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it off? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind.
So you guys, you know this video is sponsored by Terralex, and it is the foot massager that I'm talking about today. I love using this product. We actually leave it in the living room because we use it on a daily basis. This is no lie. This is no fluff, games, and just, you know, hyping you up just because you're watching this video. This is the absolute truth. Right now, while I am doing this voiceover, my husband is actually using it. But anyway, let me tell you some more about this product. The main features and advantages of it is its advanced 3D massage with heat. And it doesn't get like super hot, but it does have that warm, comforting feeling. This foot massager adopts the newest advanced 3D massage technology, includes soft silicone rubber pads, rotation balls, rolling sticks with smooth heat components, and offers deep kneading, squeezing, reflexology, rolling, and scraping. The Shih Tzu massage for feet, calves, toes, and the heel. Now the 360 adjustable support bar just puts your feet, your legs in a comfortable position. The foot calf massager is equipped with a wide 360 adjustable support bar with silicone rubber anti-slip cover. So when you move your feet, the thing won't fall. And it's stable and can provide an optimum comfortable massage ankle for your feet, calves, legs, sole, toes, ankles, and arms. It has 3 modes that are super easy to use and speeds. This foot massager machine has 3 modes and speeds. The 3 modes are similar with backward and forward massaging conversion in different times. It's programmed with 15 minutes default auto shut off to ensure the safety, and can be adjusted up to 30 minutes. And yeah, I be adjusting that thing. If you'd like to find out more about this product, there's going to be a link in the description box below. But yeah, I love it. I can't sing its praises enough.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. stole your piece, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Whatever, and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere, girl. Look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your piece, put it on me. But baby, it's you.
I appreciate you hanging out with me. I hope you got a lot done. This was so motivating, just filming this video, just getting my house in order. You know, it's always good to do a little tidying up. That way, when it's time to do your major clean, you won't have so much to do and it won't be overwhelming. You won't have anxiety about it. You'll actually enjoy it. Yep, you will. You will, trust me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets you at